Hello viewers, welcome back to Coding Search, the next era of learning. Today in this video I am going to show you an example of a structure of the C program. So let me create a new file, anatomy.c. In the last video I explained that there are 6 sections in the C program, that is the declaration section, preprocessor section, definition section, global declaration section, main function, and the subprogram section. In documentation section, we usually describe or write the name of the program, name of the authors, date of the program, and that is written in comment like program to calculate area of circle. We'll be finding here the area of circle. So this is one way to write the comments after the double forward slash, and another way is to write comment is in documentation section, that is forward slash asterisk and followed by asterisk and forward slash. Within these two symbols, whatever you will write, that will be considered as a comment by the compiler, and this section is ignored while the compilation. So author is Harun, date today is 7th December 2022. So this is actually the documentation section of any C program. And after documentation section, there is a preprocessor section or the linker section where we include the header files like has include studio.h. So this is the linker section, linker or preprocessor preprocessor section. In preprocessor section, we include all the header files required, and after preprocessor section, there is a definition section where we define the macros or the constant like has defined pi, and after white space we define the value of the pi, that is 3.14, and you should note that we do not put any semicolon at the end of the has defined statement. So this is our definition section of the C program. And after definition section, there is a global declaration section where we use to declare the global variables, and you can say the function prototype. So I'm going to declare a function prototype, say float area of circle, and within parentheses I'm going to pass a parameter of float type, float r. This is the function prototype. Here I am just declaring the structure of the function, and later on I'll define this function. Similarly, we can declare a global variable over here, say radius, float radius, and I'm not going to initialize any value. So the default value for float, that is 0.0, will be initialized by the compiler. And this section is of course known as the global declaration section, and global declaration section is after the definition section and before the main function. After global declaration section, we can define the main function section. So int main. At the time of the execution of any C program, this is the main function that is executed first. So within main function, I am going to declare a variable, say float area equals to 0, and this is a variable of type, you can say local variable. A variable declared within any function is known as a local variable. So here area is declared within the main function, so it is known as the local variable. And now I am going to take input from user, the value of radius. For that, scanf %f and let me store it the address of the radius, and now call the area of circle function. So area equals to area of circle, and here I am passing the value of a radius, and now we can display the value of radius and area. So printf value of radius equals to %f, and the variable name is radius. Let me copy the value of area equals to %f, and the variable name is area, and return 0. So this is the main function, you can say. This is the main function, and after main function there is a subprogram section. Now the subprogram section. In subprogram section we define the function prototype. In subprogram section we define the functions declared in the global section or the global declaration section, like float, area of circle, float r, the parameter, and within the function body I'm just going to calculate the area by pi r square and returning this area. So return pi. The value of pi is defined in the definition section, that is 3.14. So pi into r. So this calculated value pi r square will be returned, and it will be stored at here the variable area, and this area is being displayed over here using the printf. So let me save and open a new terminal, and to compile use gcc, and the file name is anatomy.c. It's compiled successfully, and to run /a, let's enter the value for the radius, and that is say 5. Press enter. So here you can see in the output the value of radius is 5.00, and the value of area is 78.5. So this is an example of the structure of C program. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time.